Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word asking. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She was asking for directions to the nearest gas station. In this sentence, asking is the present participle form of the verb ask, indicating that someone is requesting information or assistance from another person. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.